Yeah, so it's been a great trip, no, guys?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I booked this tour months ago, actually, before arriving here at Ashmita Tours.
Ashmita Tours.
And we have been here for the third day now, 2 nights. And Senge was our tour guide. He was amazing. He was really amazing. And yes, his birthday today.
Oh, exactly.
He's 44 today.
He's 44 today.
44. He
Incredible
looks like
guy,
34.
actually.
Come on.
We had a bike tour with a cultural trip because on the way he was not only guiding us through the forest and the fantastic trails, but he was giving us lectures about the local culture and everything else. So I truly recommend this trip to everybody.
If you want a guide who is always smiling, look after you, take care of you, just come. Even if you are not a professional biker, you will enjoy it.
And one more thing, the whole world is talking about eco-friendly things nowadays.
It is.
But this is a truly eco-friendly tour, guys.
It is.
There's no heating, the food comes from the garden, but you'll have a lovely time.
You will enjoy it.
And actually the best food we had in India until now, and we're here for the 3rd week or something like that, was here today.
Yeah.
Actually, yesterday. It was
It is.
amazing.
It is.
So come and enjoy.